Hi guys, Jerry Stringer here with Timber and Beam Workshop. Ron's behind the camera again. I never can get him in front of it. We'll have to work on that. But I want to talk to you today about templates. You'll see in a lot of the videos that we do, I'm using templates for different parts of the project. Two reasons for that. Number one, the accuracy is phenomenal in your final project. I make my templates out of it with a laser, and lasers give you a perfect cut, and the ability to transfer that to a wood project is much better than what most people can do on a bandsaw and then sanding it afterwards. So I love doing my templates. The couple of ways you can do templates. The way I like to do most, if I'm going to use a template many times, I will make it out of 1/4 inch acrylic because it's long lasting and it won't wear out on you. If I'm only going to do a template just once or twice, I'll make it out of a product called melamine. It's a 1/4 inch thick, has a little layer of vinyl on the top of it, kind of like a hard press board. It'll work great for a couple of times, but if you start using it longer than that, it's going to start kind of wearing on the edges. Template for boot jacks. These two go together for a display of a large belt buckle. This is Texas, and so we do have belt buckles this big here in the state, but this is going to be display. But it allows me to get the curves perfect by using a template. A different way of using a template is I make desk plates that go in the front of a desk with their name on it and a place for business cards. So this is one of the plates I'm in the process of making right now and show you how I can lay the template right there. I'll clamp it here and here. I can now use my router to follow the inside of this template and get slots for business cards that are perfect. This is melamine, which I really need to do out of acrylic because I've gotten where I'm using it a lot for challenge coins for Texas Rangers with the state of Texas on it. So anyway, think about it. Templates can be a huge addition to your woodworking plan for saving time and doing just super accurate cuts. Thanks for watching. If you would, make sure you get down below and like us and subscribe to us. I'm sorry, too early in the morning. And it doesn't cost you anything to do that, but it sure does help us out, and we appreciate you for it. Thank you.